we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and sometimes confusing and often mispronounced names of cities in China and names from geography too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is the name of the capital city of China, also known as Beijing. This is the Romanized version of the name, and it is pronounced as Peking. Peking, in fact, Peking, with an emphasis on the second syllable, on the king syllable. So unlike I said initially, it is not Peking, but rather Peking, Peking, China. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.